Here we're looking at 2024 Thor Palazzo 33.5. This is not a Palazzo GT, it's above the Palazzo line, GT line. Here, the exterior, we have a little small bay there. We have another small bay here. Here's a big bay here. You can see the straight rail chassis very evident there. Here's your fresh water tank here, as well as your portable water fill. Here are your house batteries, and here is your Magnum inverter and solar charge controller. Let's go inside, but first, here's your TV set with power soundbar. All right, and we have a propane furnace here, and let's go inside and see what's here. Alrighty, so coming inside here. Here we have some controls, your Xandret's inverter control and some light controls just as you come in. And when you look around here, very light and bright, and it's Marie sitting in the front driver's seat.
Yeah, I was taking a look and see everything they had. I'm going to turn this on real quick so you can see the digital display. I'll turn it off pretty quick because then you're going to hear the air pressure noise building up. It is a Freightliner chassis. And
I must
there
say, it comes up very fast.
It does. And it also has the tire pressure monitor system in there too.
All right.
Isn't that great?
Okay. And here's a 10-inch touchscreen control monitor for a radio and backup camera.
Right, and then you have your air conditioning controls. You have your other controls here. You have your telephone and
other menu controls. And your LCI electronic leveling system.
Right.
And really nice flat dash here, as well as the pop-up desk here.
Yeah, I love the pop-up desk, and I love the little pet window down there.
Nice pet window, yes, yeah, and a nice little place for the passenger to put their phone and whatnot.
There is an outlet and all down on the side there.
An outlet next to the doggy door, and a speaker.
There's a little place here for your change, remotes, or whatever.
And a little cubby.
Exactly.
Let's move on.
Let's move on. Okay, over here we have 3 cabinets. They all have an adjustable shelf in them.
There's some electronics in the third one.
Right, but they're all adjustable, a lot of storage there.
And they're individual, they're not pass through.
Right.
And this is a jackknife sofa?
It is. It is.
And
how do you like this pattern?
It's a very nice pattern.
Yeah, it's white and bright, but it's got brown in it, so it's kind of nice.
Cabinet over the door, and a nice soft, very nice soft pattern. This would actually be very good with pets.
Yeah. Over here we have a TV set.
It's like a 32-inch TV.
Right across from the sofa. 2 drink holders in the table. The dinette booth does turn into a bed. And these are, I call them cheater drawers because you can see how long this drawer is, but you can see the drawer itself is a lot shorter. So, you know, if it's real, I want it real. So,
all right, well, it does convert into a bed.
It does.
And we have a sound bar on that TV too, actually.
It does, right underneath it.
And what do we got here? Let's see in the kitchen.
We have
a nice little
big cabinet with an adjustable shelf. And also on the top here is the convection oven.
Convection microwave oven, yes.
Correct. Also that pattern, that back tile that I liked.
Yes, we saw that one of the other coaches.
Along with an induction stovetop. You've got your power tower back here. Sorry, I'm trying to lean on a partial triangle here, and it's a little far out.
And we have your roll-up sink cover, which I just love to demonstrate. Just woohoo! Here we go. I love it.
Okay, you got your cabinet under your kitchen here that you get to from 2 sides. You have 3 drawers here, and again, these are what I call the fake fronts.
A little cheater drawer.
Yeah, I don't know. This one's more. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remotes. And in this one, nothing. Over here you got 2 larger drawers. So you can put pots and pans in there.
And what am I wondering I see? Well, I see a bunk bed back here.
But I was going to show them the refrigerator in the kitchen.
Well, I'll tell you what. Let's go spin around. We forgot the refrigerator.
There you go. Let's finish the kitchen up. Okay, residential refrigerator.
Nice size refrigerator.
And there is your freezer.
Almost floor to ceiling.
Yeah,
lots of storage.
All right, now let's go to see the bunk beds.
Now let's see the bunk bed. Okay. Well,
here's the 2 bunk beds.
I don't see a light control up here.
Now this actually, you have people sleep here. Obviously, there's a couple tablet holders. There's also, you can change it into a closet or a wardrobe.
Yes, has the power up here.
You also can change this out and you can make it a desk. You can make it a pet area, a craft area.
And looks like we got
Just
two
about
drawers
everything.
below.
We do, right there. How smart you are. And there they are. So you can store your supplies right there.
And it should be noticed that while this doesn't have doors, it has a nice lovely panel that goes across here and hides everything from view.
Right. Across the way, we do have our bathroom.
It's a full bath here.
Okay, let's see. We have medicine cabinet. We know it opens. It's just a little sticky being new.
A little sticky.
There we go.
This is actually deeper than a lot of cabinets we've seen.
It's a nice...
It actually goes down that way, all the
right.
way down
You
the
can
door.
also use another door here. You
I
can
didn't
get to
realize
the
there
end.
was another door. There's another door.
So you have that, and then you have your towel rack, a nice shelf area for here. You got your outlet and your water, suburban water thing.
Suburban water tank heater control.
There you go. And over here we have the
Oxygenate shower head.
okay, just so you know. And you have some light switches right here for the lights. Down below, you have absolutely no cabinets. It's all fake stuff.
Well, it sure pops up.
Fake panels.
Access. Well, here is the business end. Here's the shower. The moment we've all been waiting for you tall people. This actually is almost as roomy. I know we had more room in the Outlaw, but plenty of room up here. I actually very impressed.
And I can't get your face because the bar is right in the way.
Well, this is a 9 out of 10 because of this dumb guillotine bar. You know, there are coaches that don't have it, including the coach that we own, but this is, ouch. I mean, see what I mean?
Bar.
Demonstration.
Hey, folks, you wonder why he's crazy? Now you know.
Now you know. All right. Well, what's the business end like for you?
Well, there's room to sit down on my knees. So, you know, it's good. You might have a little issue, but I do not. Okay, moving on. We have door number 2, which is like a broom or coat storage. Not very thick, but you got a little storage there.
Probably broom and coat storage.
Yeah. Now this I really like. This is a north-south bed, and I really like those floor plans myself, except for the fact it's going to be hard to make that side of the bed. But I like the way they face. You have a bigger end table on this side, and you have a, I don't know if that's a wardrobe. I can't see with all the stuff in here.
Well,
yes, this is a wardrobe. This is a wardrobe closet, actually.
That the slide out is actually not out on this coach in the back here.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Okay,
so there is space on that side.
There is space on that side. The wardrobe goes out, and there's space. Just there's a cabinet door over there we can't open because the slide is turning me in right now.
Good catch. Yes, I didn't realize that at first. I see it now.
But there's 2 big cabinets here. They both pass through. I don't know if it goes all the way to the end because we can't open that one. I'm not sure if you can see in there or not.
I might be able to tell if I go over here. All right, I'm crawling across the bed, folks. See what I do for you? Oh, well.
Can't open that out.
It is not a pass-through. It stops right here, and this is a separate cabinet.
All right, well, we have 2 wardrobes here.
And a wardrobe here with 2 adjustable shelves.
And this also is the bunk bed telescoping ladder here.
Okay.
Now, there are drawers beneath here, but we can't show them to you because the slide is not fully extended here. Right. But there is a TV, about a 32-inch TV, for your viewing pleasure in the bedroom. And finally,
there is a little outlet here for your phone.
Okay.
And you do have a little drawer next to the nightstand.
Okay, we don't know. We must have another one on that side, but we can't see it. But I do see a USB charger in the corner.
I see a nightstand, so I think there is one there.
And here, it looks like there is a washer-dryer prep here, but no washer-dryer currently, as well as a couple of shelves down below. So, we thank you for watching. We ask you to like and subscribe to our channel. And always remember to open the doors to adventure.
And start all your journeys with
the RVTs.
Have a great day, folks, and thank you for watching.